So here is the tutorial on how you can draw this llama in Infinite Painter. First of all, change the background color to blue, and for reference image go to my Instagram Ayushminimal. Now using the Monoline Brush from the Calligraphy slot and using the white color, start making the shape of the body of the llama. And if you are not able to draw the perfect shape of the llama, then you can use the basic shapes that I have used in here. Now fill the color up into the shape and then use the wrap option to make some little changes into the shape of the llama if you have done something wrong in it. For making the shoe of llama, use the basic orange rectangle shape and then draw a yellow line on top of that, and then using the black color draw a shape like this. Now duplicate that shoe layer and using the wrap option you can change the position of that. Now for making the clothes of the llama, use the Monoline Brush and the orange color for making this dome-like structure like this. And you can use or draw any pattern in that too. Draw 2 more legs for llama using the same process. Now onto the ears, using the soft type of brush, draw 2 lines on that. And then a pink circle like this. Now using the basic shapes, draw a cute smile, an eye and a nose. Now we are going to make a cap for the llama. For that, use the orange color with the Monoline Brush and draw a triangular shape like this. And draw a circle on top of that, and you can make any pattern onto that cap. Now for making the hairs onto the llama, use the curved brush from the Legacy slot to make it look more real. Now for drawing the shadow of the llama, you have to draw a simple basic shape using the black color and the Monoline Brush and fill it up with the color. And now go to the filters and apply the blur effect on that. Now draw some nice background using the Monoline Brush and using the different colors, and we are done. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.